So you guys, welcome back. We have Lepa token airdrop here. Market data is currently not tracked, but you can be able to still get some of the updates about this token. Lepasa in full details. About 3 million participants already. Is on the watch list of about 3 point something million. So what you need to do is that the first thing is to add it to your watch list. Just once you're logged in, if you're not logged in, it's going to prompt you to log in. So once you're logged in, add it to your watch list. So once you're done adding it to your watch list, you can also check out the official website for future if you want to know more about this project. But meanwhile, it has been audited by Cetic. It's an Ethereum smart chain contract. Collectibles, we have tags such as collectibles and NFTs. It's going to be ending 6 hours as of recording. And this airdrop, Lepasa Polqueen NFT Airdrop, so you can get one NFT. So they're apparently giving it out to uh $60,000 worth. That's the price of this airdrop. So giving out 200 NFTs, and these 200 NFTs they are worth $60,000. So apparently each of these NFT should be worth about $300. Guys, I think that's mad funds. I think that's huge, guys. That's huge. So each of these NFTs worth about $300. Wow, guys. Wow. So Lepasa is a mythological virtual world project and offering 3D game-ready mythological creatures NFTs based on the Ethereum 721 blockchain. Each of Lepasa NFTs comes with source file and has capability to animate or further use cases. After winning in this airdrop, winners will be allotted soft minted NFTs on Polygon blockchain. After minting it, winners will be able to take it to a secondary market like OpenSea. Winning NFTs can be checked on the Lepasa website by connecting Polygon wallet and go to my collection in the menu. Example video of animated NFT. Search for Lepasa. Okay. So guys, these are the basic steps you'll be needing to push through this airdrop. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to claim this airdrop hopefully. Cheers guys, success, wishing you guys best of luck and all. Your bike keys, stay safe and see you in our future uploads. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe too.